My mom has arthritis and she finds it hard to handle milk cartons. So I researched and I found a great solution for her. It fits into the refrigerator door and it comes out very easily. It's sturdy. The milk carton fits in it very easily. It's very lightweight and pours easily. It's dishwasher safe, and you can also use it with 2-liter bottles as well. My mom loves this product. She's told me several times how much it makes her feel stable without feeling like she's going to drop the milk, and how she said it pours so easily. She doesn't think she's going to spill it anymore, and just how this simple solution made such a difference in her life.
Hi, please use the link provided below. It will take you directly to the product where you can check it out for yourself and hopefully order it. We are part of an affiliate program, but it does not cost you 1 more cent to go through that link. In fact, it's just an easy way for you to get to the products that we have personally purchased and used ourselves.